In this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle on your Bluetooth on Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and from here move to the settings. Now find Bluetooth connection, and you'll be able to either disable it like that. Don't worry, it might lag for a moment when enabling or disabling such this setting. So now let's enable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.